What up, my roadies? Roadtrip Dave is coming at you from Carowinds at night. And tonight, we are actually going to ride the Screamweaver. Now, this is a ride that was open up until 2024. So we're actually going to ride it when it was open during WinterFest at night. Hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy it. Carowinds usually has Screamweaver opened throughout the year, but in other occasions it's been closed during WinterFest. This year it was open and we took advantage of it fully. Little did I know that Carowinds would announce the official closure of this ride in late 2024. I'm just happy that I was able to film the entire ride and give a brief tour of this ride because it's such an iconic ride, being that it opened in Carowinds as Meteorite in March 24th, 1979 in the county fair themed area. Then it was relocated to where it is now near Carolina Cyclone. One of the very unique features about this ride is that it doesn't require seatbelts. You are literally kept in your cart by the centrifugal forces of the ride. It's quite exhilarating and thrilling, but it does require a little bit of stomach fortitude.
Anyway, he said hold on tight, so.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh my god. I was so scared at first. Okay. You're getting off now.
Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Wow! Oh my word! Yeah! When your ride stops, you'll hear it blink. You're going to push up on your overhead. Here's another ride that's going to be closed permanently in 2025. Nighthawk. Along with Drop Tower and Screamweaver, all three of those rides will be closed starting in 2025. And Carowinds has not revealed if they're going to replace those rides or if there are any new attractions to be put over where those rides are located. But stay tuned on my channel and I will definitely keep you posted. By the way, my roadies, you know the drill. Choke slam that like button, leave a comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Follow me on all my social media links located in the description below. And if you want to support my channel, you can do it through PayPal or through the thanks button here on YouTube.
1973 oil crisis, and as a result, the plans for the resort attractions were abandoned. Pat Hall and other stockholders of the Carowinds company.
Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations, my roadies. More videos are coming your way soon again. So until next time, laters.